Before we start, do not forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get all the updates for my all videos. Hello friends, welcome to Technogyan. Hope you guys are doing great. So today's topic is like how to hide the subscribers from a channel. Usually what happens is that when you create a new channel, there are only one or two subscribers. So that often discourages the new users to hit the subscribe button. So what we are going to see is like how we can hide the subscriber list. In that case, if a user navigates to your channel, he won't be able to see how many subscribers you have. The first thing we need to do is log in into a Gmail account. Let me do that first. Once I log in into my Gmail, I have to navigate to YouTube. You can see the Google Apps icon. Once I click on that, there is a YouTube icon. Once I log in into YouTube, I have to go to my channel. I just created a channel for this video purpose. You can see it shows my subscriber count here, and even if I open a video, it will show the subscriber count, one subscriber. Now how to hide this? On the top hand right corner, if you click on this account icon, you can navigate to the YouTube Studio. From YouTube Studio, there are a range of options on left hand side. Just click on the settings icon. From settings, we have to navigate to channel. And under channel, we have three options. We just click on the advanced settings and scroll down a bit. Here you can see a subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. I just need to uncheck this box. Once I uncheck this box, I have to click on save. I'll get a notification as settings saved. I just reload my channel once again. From here, I can go to my channel again. Can you see this? It doesn't show how many subscribers I have right now. And if I click on video, it's the same thing. It doesn't show the number of subscribers. That's it. This was a short tutorial, and I hope it was quick enough and easy for you guys to understand. Please do subscribe to my channel and support me. Do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.